What's up guys? For today, I'll be doing a sightseeing adventure on 2 wheels in the beautiful capital city of Canada, Ottawa. If you're new to the channel, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to be updated. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite ways to explore a new city is by bike. As I've said previously, it's a great way to see what the city has to offer, and at the same time, you get to have a workout as well. Unlike Toronto and Montreal, there's no bike share here in Ottawa, so opted to rent at Escape Bike Rentals. For the rental, it comes with a helmet, a map, and a bike lock. So, sulit na rin siya. We also offer scenic tours, but since there are loads of bike trails in Ottawa, I decided to DIY since I'll just be riding along the scenic Rideau Canal. For some reason, riding along this canal reminds me a lot of Singapore River. Since I rented this just for 2 hours, I won't be riding the entirety of Rideau Canal. Transfer muna ako sa opposite side ng canal and then ride all the way to downtown. I'll be stopping over a lot of popular spots, so watch out for that. And just like that, I'm in downtown Ottawa. Maganda dito sa area na to, halos dikit-dikit na yung mga interesting spots. And as you can see, it's quite crowded here. I've been barely here just for 2 days, and one of my favorite things about Ottawa, being the nation's capital, is it's full of history, kaya ang daming makikita museum dito. Sadly, I won't be going inside, kaya I'll just admire it here from the outside. My next stop will be an inter-provincial crossing via the Alexandra Bridge.